what you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Hello everyone, we are going to be doing Marley Twist today with a ginger peekaboo. This is the hair I'll be using. I'll be using this. It says ginger at the top, and then I have ones right here. This hairstyle, I'm pretty sure I won't be using all this, but the hairstyle in should only be about $40. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. I know I look crazy right now. I got my mom to part my rows for me. So yes, the pros of doing your own hair and your mom also being able to do hair as well. So yes. So right now I have 2 rows left, 1, 2, and we're gonna be done with our hair. Right now I'm kind of happy with the results or whatnot. Yeah, we're gonna keep going, play some music, keep going, play some music, and do some more, and do some more, and do some more. Yeah. Okay, so in the package it comes in like, well, in the 3-in-1, this is what one little like rack that has on this own. So you're gonna take one. You're gonna like kind of make it, you know, like stretch it out a little bit because it comes a little twisted. And yeah, then you're gonna divide this into 3 equal parts. So for me, and you're gonna line them up on your braiding rack. And if you feel like one piece is like too small after you put it on the rack, I'm going to show you guys the rack. I put it on the other side, and you never know, you might just need little pieces to you know, if it don't look thick enough. So it's going to come like this, little strand that you're going to go from the middle. Try to just make it straight a little bit, but not do too much, but this will make it easier to separate. So you're going to go from the middle again, take a good little piece, take your knee, easiest way to stretch, take off any excess that comes off from the bottom, and then put it on the rack. And I'm gonna do that a couple times, and then I'm gonna show y'all the rack. Those are my little ones. Okay, once you have your things, I already separated out the amount of edges that I want. Of course, I'm not gonna leave my edge down. That's just so it wouldn't go here. So gonna comb out a little bit and then part my hair where I want it to stop at. Clean it up. Back. Now we are going to mold our stuff. So now I'm just gonna comb and try not to comb all the way to the bottom, just so your twist will be flexible. So what you're gonna do is, hopefully y'all can see, you're going to divide this section into 3. Try to make it as even as possible. Okay? And as you divide that into 3, then you are going to start braiding. So you're going to braid a good 3 or 4 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you're gonna take your middle piece, divide that into 2. Bam. Now you're gonna twist twice, and then you're going to take one of your pieces, align it with the 2. Then I like to take the right side, twist that with the right side real quick, and then you're going to twist in the opposite way for the other side, and you're just going to twist that in. And preferably you probably want to start with a smaller piece off of your rack, just because it'll blend in better. After you twist a couple times, you're gonna add another piece. Do the same thing. For me, for how I am, one, you're twisting away from your face, and your left hand will be twisting towards your face. So then you're gonna keep twisting from there because it's combined. And you see how it kind of looks like you can see where you edited. In a few, you won't be able to see that anymore once I let go. So once you get to the length that you want, of course you can just keep braiding down. But for me, where the hair stops at is not long enough, which means I'm going to be adding one more piece once I get around this section, just so it can meet the same length as the braids, as the other ones that I've already done. And they're gonna do the same process. Take it, add it in there, twist. For me, twist away from your face for one side, twist towards your face, twist, and then do the same thing. And yeah, it'll be in there. And then you just keep braiding down. And for me, I know once I get like a little further down, I don't really do like the tight twisting. I get around to the point where I kind of want it to be a little bit thicker near the bottom. So I more so just wrap around rather than like twisting really hard. Yeah, now once you get to the bottom, you just get to the bottom. And this time I think I am curling my ends just a little bit, just to give it a little bit more of a look. But yeah, hopefully that helped. And of course, once I get somewhere else around my head, I will be showing y'all me doing it over and over again.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go.
Okay, hair is done, edges is done. Only thing really I need to left to do is to mousse it, let it sit for a little bit, and while that's sitting, then I am going to actually clean up my room because it looks an absolute mess because I have somewhere to be in 1.5 hours. So yeah, 360.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign.